Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel, and in this short video I will tell you that how you can easily check the battery health of your laptop. That's quite simple, interesting and easy, so make sure to watch the video till end so you don't make a single mistake. So guys, first of all you'll have to click on this start menu on the bottom left corner of your screen, and then click on the search bar and then search for PC health check, and then click on the app, and it will open in your laptop, and it's taking too much time. Okay, now the app is open and you can see a lot of different options on this page. Now what will you have to do, right on this page it will show you your information and your RAM and your SSD, your hard disk, and your the age of your laptop. And if you scroll down, right here you'll be able to find an option of battery capacity. And in my case the battery health of my laptop is 71%. It means I've used the battery of health of my laptop has degraded by 29%. When you purchase a new laptop, a brand new laptop, it is 100%. And it by clicking on see battery saving tips you'll be also be able to find tips to save your battery health. And the battery health usually degrades when you use your laptop, but you can slow down the rate of degradation by following these tips. So I hope you have found the video helpful. If you have found the video helpful, make sure to like the video and hit that subscribe button. And if you have any questions about the video, let me know in the comment section.